That's it.
Actually, this is the first swap meet of the year, actually.
Something I could leave over there.
And so we're wandering around out here today. Check and see what we find. Ron's already bought something, knowing him. We got a few things here. There's some regular old radios and parts. And of course, there are some things for free out here.
Waiting for restore.
Yeah.
So, yeah, not a whole lot of guys here, but they're coming in still. And we're just going to take a look here, see what we got.
Those things, what do they get for those on eBay?
Oh, it's stupid.
Oh yeah, yeah. There's
Thousands.
be crazy prices on stuff like this on eBay. I mean, you always get those guys that, you know, they go to the estate sales and they just tag anything they want on it.
That's right.
You know.
For a brand new service.
Set
the hand dug
so.
this hole and then had this
And
come along affair to go in.
oh yeah, we got all kinds of stuff here, Jay. Actually, that's an SX28. I have an SX28A. And of course, we have the military radios. Entire rack there. There's all kinds of stuff here. Still coming in. And yeah, it's interesting seeing all these guys out here finally. For once. No one's been out here for a long time. There's Ron and Henry there.
So much fun. Like,
yeah.
There's no main panel here.
But yeah, if you look down the road there, there's some more stuff. This guy likes antennas. Got a mess of them up there. But yeah, prices are not bad. A lot cheaper than you'd find on eBay, that's for sure. And just gonna take a look, and we'll see what else is going on. I haven't done a video for a while. Always something.
Are you smart enough to know to push down, then talk, then let go to listen?
Yeah, it's like saying, you know, you got to do to drive a car, you just step on the gas.
You step on the gas.
Drink a beer.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. So.
I'm surprised nobody's shown any interest in those HF rigs.
Tough here. We're just wandering around.
I run a 7610 and a 746 Pro. So I'm good on HF.
Trying to see if we can find guys with parts around here, but there's really no parts. It's just mostly equipment. So, anyway, we'll be back and see if I can find something else. Okay. Well, today my brother Ron and I went to the Silver Springs Amateur Radio Flea Market today. It was the first one, swap meet I should say. It should be Amateur Radio Swap Meet. And it was this first swap meet this year. So really, we didn't know what to expect since we don't know a lot of the guys there, although we knew a lot of guys that used to go to Hammond Hi-Fi would show up there probably. And we were right about that. So I do have a short little clip there of what we looked at, and a lot of and there wasn't a whole lot of stuff though. It was, basically about 3 or 4 guys that sold the stuff they had in their garage and stuff like that. But I did come away with some stuff. I bought some stuff from Henry. It's a National radio with a matching speaker. And then this other guy, I bought a Icom transceiver from him. Money-wise, in fact, Henry threw another one in for free. It was just another project voltometer, or VTVM actually. So anyway, I'll show you what I got, and I'll show at the end of this, well, maybe, well, beginning. I'll show the beginning first. You'll see this at the end. So anyway, I'll show you what we got. I'm gonna get the dog off me. Okay. First off, on top of the other national radio, I have, I've got to get some more light in here too. You'd think I'd have enough with the sun coming through, but it still didn't seem to be enough. And it still didn't look any better. Well, anyway, the Icom is right there. I'm going to pull back so you see the whole thing here. That's the national radio down there. And come over here to the Icom over here. It's all complete. It supposedly works, so we'll see. And there's a couple little switches up on top that are missing, but that's not a big deal. Other than that, everything else is right there. So that's something else I'll have to work on. And the RCA vacuum tube voltmeters here. This is also another project. And this has a matching speaker with it, so see if we can see the whole thing. I don't know. Oh wow. Yeah, it takes up the whole area there. But yeah, it's national. This is the one that was made in 1946. It has a label underneath. That's what it says. And let's see, what is it? A national high frequency receiver type NC-2-40D. That's what that is. So that's another. That's the one that's got the matching speaker. Paid a whole $20 for this. The Icom I paid $75 for, and the VTVM was free. So all in all, I got something. Ron got an amplifier. So all in all, we got stuff. So I was actually only looking for parts really, and I ended up with more stuff. So anyhow, that's it for that one. And this will be at the end of this video. You'll see all what the guys had that came in. Okay.